Hi, my name is Maria Ortega and you are on the Ladymaria51 channel. Today we're going to prepare an easy and delicious dessert. This dessert is being prepared in a Mexican food restaurant here in Puerto Rico. It is very easy and today we're going to prepare, like we say here, Crustos. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le estaré enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. To prepare the crustos, we need templates for burrito. In this case, I'm using the large template, but you can use the template you prefer. We also need sugar, cinnamon, a pizza cutter, and a plastic sandwich bag. These are all the ingredients and materials we need to prepare the crustos. We start by cutting the burrito template with the pizza cutter. We chop the template into stripes. Let's continue chopping to form the stripes like this. And we continue like this until we have the stripes. We are done cutting the stripes. See how they turn out? Now what we're going to do is that we will place them in a group to cut them into squares. And we continue cutting to form the squares until we complete them. Since we have our squares, we will fry over moderate heat for just a few seconds until it is golden brown. The squares are already being fried, and remember that it is only a few seconds until they turn golden brown. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to put these squares, which are the crustos, in the plastic sandwich bag that I showed you at the beginning. I already put the squares in the plastic bag. Now we will mix the granulated sugar, which is a half a cup, with a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. We are going to make this mixture in a separate container. It's going to be like this. I already had it apart. We will put this mixture into the plastic bag containing the crustos and we will add it completely. We close the bag and now we're going to move it. And we keep moving until it mixes well. Yummy! And here are the delicious crustos. This is a quick and easy dessert to make. It is good for any special occasion. And if you're going out, you can take the bag you prepared to share with your friends. Remember, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and activate the bell so that you can receive the new videos I upload. Don't forget to stop by my Facebook page called Ladymaria51. See you in the next video.